Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to use UpBase for managing your veterinary practice, the full 2025 guide. First off, log into your UpBase account. This is your control center, where all your veterinary practice management happens. UpBase is designed to help streamline your tasks, so logging in frequently is crucial to stay updated. Next up, navigate to the Patients tab. Here, you'll find all your four-legged clients' information. The reason we do this is to keep track of patient history, appointments, and treatments. It's your digital file cabinet, but more organized and accessible. Now that we've done that, let's move to scheduling. Click Calendar and start adding appointments. This helps us because it not only saves your time, but also minimizes scheduling conflicts. Plus, it sends automatic reminders to pet owners, ensuring fewer missed appointments. Another key feature is the Billing tab. Here, you can easily invoice your clients, track payments, and monitor your practice's financial health. This step is important because it simplifies the financial aspect of your practice, allowing you to focus more on your furry clients. Lastly, explore the Reports section. It provides an overview of your practice's performance, from patient demographics to revenue trends. It's like having a personal analyst for your practice, helping you make informed decisions. And that's a wrap. Just like that, you're well on your way to efficiently managing your veterinary practice with UpBase. Remember, the key is to familiarize yourself with the platform and use it to its full potential. Thanks for joining us, and see you in our next tutorial.